For breast cancer advocacy, I would refer to my personal story. I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2001, and the time I heard it, because I never suffered from any disease, even flu, up to the age of 45, and I was not under any risk factor till that year. So I couldn't believe, and I found myself in MD Anderson. There I had the best support from the American friends in a very logical, professional way, so that I decided that I should do this as a give back when I go back to my own country. And on the way back, I just joined Europa, Donna, Turkey as a patient advocate. I had my basic initial training in the advocacy training workshop that I've already mentioned on the former questions of yours, that is held annually in Milan for the advocates, junior advocates coming from the member countries. So that was the initial training, but then I think I had my personal activities undertaken in a very professional way, with my personal goal to reach as a give back responsibility to other women around myself, in my family, in my office, wherever I could reach. So coming back to the possibilities to improve your patient advocacy work, I think Alamo invitation that I was invited. Coming back to the patient advocacy training, I think joining other foundations like Alamo and the cancer coalitions at a global level has a lot to do to support your advocacy work, because it's a global issue that women are facing, and we have to reach certain goals in a very speedy way with certain tangible outcomes of any research or clinical trial undertaken. So as patient advocates, we can participate in the clinical trials in breast cancer or cancer research. That's one of the efficient ways. And the other thing is early diagnosis, proactive and preventive management of breast cancer, like healthy diet, healthy living, and exercise. These are the basics, evidences of proactive management. And we know that it's 30% decreasing the probability of being diagnosed with breast cancer if we do regular exercise. So why not to promote this at a global level, working with industry, etc. And there are other major goals that we have to achieve as patient advocates, like supporting the integration of data, patient registries, to be able to achieve the best outcome of the clinical trials with the integration of information technology into clinical trials that are already going on. And as patient advocates, we have to collaborate with medical group as much as possible to speed up the process in breast cancer clinical trials.
Did you know that not every breast cancer patient needs chemotherapy? In fact, today, there's a way to identify whether or not you'd benefit from that chemotherapy based on the biology of your tumor. To learn more about the Oncotype DX assay and how to discuss the results with your physician, just press this button.